Kaya lang ako naging maaga pag-uwi. Meron na naman akong bagong bashers sa Facebook. Nag-comment siya. I am the one to be careful because I already got scammed. So I replied, maybe you are my scammer because many Filipino scammer under Friends Hamdan Pasa's name. So I check her profile. Her profile is with Friends Hamdan also. See? Because of so much people using the Friends Hamdan Pasa's photo, so I understand that. But I don't know if the real friends using that. I don't know. No comment about that. But I am not crossing their profile to write not good because for being a good person, it's not my manner and right conduct. Okay, I am growing up for a good manner, even we are not rich. So okay, so my children also is like that. We are not same the other person that even nothing they pretend that harm. So we are not like that. So we are working hard to reach our goals in life, in our future. But now it's raining here in the country where I am. But I need to go. I need to continue because um, this one there is a heavy rain I have seen in my phone, so I don't want to stop to walking. I need to. Oh my God! I need to walk faster because the rain is going to heavy rain. So this is me, my attire now, because of very hot. So this is me. So very hot here in the country area. So I need to walk faster. Otherwise, oh my God, have motorcycle. My God, have motorcycle. So now I am near and the highway. And after that, I walk a little, few minutes, maybe 5 minutes or 7 minutes. I reach my apartment, my boarding house. So one month more, I can see my darling. Mother's love. So I'm thankful to God for everything what I have now in my life. I just pray even there is some people looking up want me to drop, but the God watching me. Okay, so it's raining, so I need to go, I need to continue, and after that I need to get shower. It's raining here. So it's raining time. I need to get shower after this, otherwise it's rainy days here. Okay, so I need to go shower when I reach in my boarding house, otherwise it's a very big problem. So it's now 9 o'clock here in the country where I am, and it's raining. Oh, lucky I closed the window of my boss, otherwise she becomes crazy again. Because I have seen in my phone that heavy rain, so I said heavy rain, but liar. Oh my god. When I go out, just a little bit rain, and after now, it's become more heavy. Whew. So I need to continue, and then when I reach home, I need to take shower. So it's heavy rain here. It's heavy rain. This is life. So now you know. But I need to get shower after. So bye bye. Have a nice night. Good evening. Bye bye.